we're about to surprise a couple of Shop 71 CTD instructors. How exciting, because they're part of our very first Bravo Zulu Hard Hat Hero program. What this really is about is connecting to our mission. So they drive virtual reality right now in Shop 71. We are teaching folks to paint and blast with virtual reality. It can't get cooler than that. And I was blown away. And so let's go do this. Okay, are you ready? So as you know, I was here, you guys showed me the ropes on this virtual reality for painting and blasting. And I wanted to let you know, I was really, really impressed with what Shop 71 is doing and bringing innovation, right, to the shipyard.
Okay.
So what I have, we started a Bravo Zulu.
Oh, okay.
Yep, a Bravo Zulu Hard Hat Hero program. And this is to say thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very much. For
you so much.
what you are doing.
Okay, thank you.
And I'm catching you by surprise.
Yeah, you are.
But I wanted to let you know that you're appreciated and you're touching so many people's lives right now, and you're making a difference. And that's really important. So keep doing it, keep charging, and it's one mission, one team.